feel so sad.
I know, Nina. I feel bad too. But you should at least try and to feel better at least.
I mean, trying is all that we can do. We just have to let this sickness run its course. Now, I think we should all just stop talking and just let ourselves get some rest. We need this right now, you guys.
Yeah. You're right. Plus, that's what Mom and Dad wants us to do anyway.
Yeah, I'm very sleepy. All right then, sis. I'll take you to your room so you can sleep. Javier, you should head to your room too so you can get some rest.
I'm already on it.
Feel better, Lorlar. Feel better, Javi. Thank you, Nina. It means a lot.
Thanks, sis. I know together as siblings we can even overcome the toughest of trials. God, this cough is pissing me off.
Javier, watch your mouth. Not in front of Nina.
My bad. Sorry. This cough is killing me.
Better. Now let's all try to get some rest, okay? We'll see how we feel later in the afternoon. I love you guys. Love you, Lala. Love you, Hobby.
Love you, sisters. Peace.